Hi everyone, welcome back over to my channel. If this is your first time watching, well, my name is Amy and over here we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and DIY makeover videos. And I am super excited to bring you guys this video today. I know I've said this like every single time I come on here, but I am super excited to bring you guys this video because A, I have never done an unboxing video on my channel. B, I have not done a fashion video in a while. So I'm excited to bring you guys into the fashion world, okay? And by the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you are subscribed, okay? Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any video from moi, okay? I am speaking a lot of French today because, you know, I'm feeling a little too bougie. Anywho, I don't feel like doing a disclaimer because, listen, who cares? It's 2022. I actually have my first Chnel bag, you guys. Clearly, I didn't buy it for myself because, listen, the way my coins are racking up, it doesn't feel like I can afford a Chnel bag right now, okay? But it was a gift, and I am so grateful. I can literally cry right now. So thank you so much for buying me this gift. You know yourself, whoever you are. You guys want to see what I got? They got me a Chnel bag, you guys. Oh, look at this. I wouldn't have thought in a million years that I will actually receive a gift of a Chnel bag. Like, who am I? Who am I becoming? You know? Listen, I manifested these things and I have to receive it. If you manifest it, you gotta receive it. You guys know I've been talking about manifestation and all that good stuff. Well, one day we're going to dive deep into it, but today we're going to talk about my Chnel bag, not the manifesting part of it, okay? And you guys, the thing is, I actually did not think or know I was actually going to get a bag. Yeah, I feel stupid. Okay, I feel stupid doing this video. I'm sorry. Okay, this is not no bragging video because you guys know I didn't buy it for myself. So there's nothing else to there's nothing to brag about. Okay, yeah, it was a gift, but I didn't actually think about getting this bag. So let me just tell you guys. I kind of know I wanted a Chnel bag, but obviously I can't afford it. So I manifested for it. So I went to the store with this particular person. And I looked at the bag and I was like, oh, I like this bag. And they were like, oh, you can have it. And I was like, no, I can't. Like, my bank account is not talking like this right now. And they're like, no, you can have it. And I literally almost cried. But I was so excited. I was like, no, I don't want it. They're like, no, you can have it. It looks like you actually want it. That's how this happened. I realistically did not go to the store with the intention of actually buying a bag. I was just happened to be there and said, I want a bag, and the bag happened. And that's how it happened. I got the bag 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, roughly about 2 weeks ago. I have yet to even open the bag, you guys, because I'm just so scared. And it comes with the receipt. So the receipt comes in this little envelope looking thing, which is so cute. It has like the Chnel thing logo right there. And that's that. And it comes in this Chnel box. It comes wrapped. The box looks so cute, you guys. I actually don't want to open it, but that's the reason why you guys are here and you guys want to know what I got. So obviously, we're gonna open it, okay? So how do I do this? I actually was gonna put my camera down and flip it on it, but then I was like, that's too much work because I don't want to move my lights anyways. But so we're gonna do it like this. Y'all know I keep it raw here, okay? So let's open it. Oh my gosh. This is my first time opening this. Oh, fancy. Okay, so it comes just wrapped in this Chnel ribbon. And it has this little, what are these called? I don't even know what these are called. You guys, I'm not really into designer stuff like that. So I don't know names of things. So excuse me, okay? But it comes with this little cute bow, which I'm going to keep because I'm going to cherish this for the rest of my life because realistically, this is my first Chnel. And I don't know if I'm gonna have any anytime soon. But we're gonna manifest for more, okay? That's what we're gonna do. Are you guys ready? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. I'm so happy. Okay, so when I open it, it's like the box like this. It actually looks like the Dior boxes, kind of similar. Oh, and it has like the little Chnel logo sticker right there. Oh my gosh, it's getting real, you guys. Okay. Can you guys guess what I bought? Leave a comment in the comment section before finishing the video. Like when you get to this point, just comment below what do you think I got. Let's see who get it. Please don't cheat. Okay? You can't do that. Okay? It's wrapped very nicely. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Okay, let me stop. Oh. Okay, so it has this little thing. What is this? I think this just has like the information about the bag, cleaning, maintenance, and blah, 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 blah. Things that I really should probably pay attention to, but never do, because, you know. And it has this like little material thing right there. I don't know if this comes off. This is like, let me see. Oh, it actually does come off. And I guess you keep the book in there. Yeah, I think you keep the book in there. Oh my God, this feels so soft. Like, this feels really, really good. So I'm gonna put this back in here because this is unnecessary. This is not why you're here. Let's just be factual. Let's see. Okay, so here is the bag. Again, if you have not guessed to this point, when I open it, keep your guess. I don't want to hear it, okay? Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my God. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's wrapped so nicely. I mean, oh my gosh. Okay, so you have to open here. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. Excuse me. This is my first Chnel bag, okay? It is the Coco handle. Is that what it's called? Coco handle. Yeah, when I tell you I'm not like used to none of this stuff, like I'm serious, not used to it. I just don't know like the details of any of these. Like I just don't, like that's just not what my interest is in. But this is what the bag looks like. It's super cute. I actually wanted there's another size. So I think this is the mini, and I actually did wanted the medium, you guys. But when I showed the picture to my sisters, they were like, nah, get the mini. And my cousin, they were like, nah, get the mini. This is like more classy. Like you can dress it up and dress it down, because the other one was like a little big. I'll post a picture of what that one looks like. They actually did not have it in black. They had it like in like a salmony color. But I was going to order the black. Actually, the funny thing is the Chnel store just texted me right now, telling me, asking if I still want the medium, but I think I'm actually gonna just keep this one because this is a great size for me. And it comes in like this like white gold. It's like not white gold, it's like a very light gold hardware, which I like. So it's not like super harsh because I don't want silver for sure, okay? And it has the strappy thing that looks like this. The strap is also detachable, so you can actually take the strap out and then just hold the handle up there like that, or you can actually just wear this like on your shoulder or crossbody. I am quite tall and I don't think the strap is long enough. I actually did want a longer strap. That's probably why I actually wanted the what's it called, the medium, because the strap on the medium is a lot longer. But then I was like, I think I could just like handle this. I'm gonna actually stand up so you guys can see how long the strap is on me, okay? Like it's like below my like butt area or something like that. You see that? But if I try to cross body it, it's gonna be super short. You see, if I cross body, it's just gonna sit right underneath my boob area, and that's not cute. But if you're someone who's short, you can definitely crossbody it. I'm not that short. I am 6 foot tall, so it's definitely just more for like hanging, but not necessarily for like for crossbodying, or you could just hold the top part right there and just use it as a dressier bag. Okay, and it has the pocket detail like on the back of it. The material feels very sturdy. I did hear like a while ago that Chnel's quality was kind of going down, but this feels quite sturdy. Hopefully they fixed it, and I was one of the lucky ones to get the nice fixed one. On the hand right here, you have all the Chnel like logo detail right there. And let's open the inside. Okay. So this is what the inside looks like. So now they actually come with like a chip, okay, which kind of like, so I think before they had like the authenticity card or something like that, but now they just have a chip, and then like when you buy it, you just have to like, they have to register your chip, and like which has all your details on it. So like whenever you go, they can literally just scan the chip and then pull your information out, which that is like super, super cool. The inside has like these two like pocket things, like, let me take this off so you guys can see. Actually, the inside has, it's a burgundy color. I don't know if you can see that, but the inside is a burgundy color. It has two compact areas right there. And it also has like a zipper on the side, like on the inside of it, like on one side of it. So you can actually probably like put like your card holder or credit card or something in there. It's actually not super, super small. It can fit a couple of things. Because when I go out, realistically, I only have my card holder, which is my YSL card holder, my phone, and all that good stuff. So this is my iPhone, and I have a iPhone 12s Plus, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, and that fits in there like perfectly, and I could fit like a lot of things in here. Oh, it actually does have like a middle pocket thing also right there. So it's like 1, 2, and 3 inside, 3 pockets inside. I chose black because obviously black is a neutral color, and it's gonna be a lot easier for me to wear with almost everything, and it's just classy. Once I start probably having a lot more, then I'll probably pick up like more colors, but for right now, I definitely think this is like a good buy. And this is such a timeless piece, you guys, and that's why I love it. I don't want to buy anything that was too trendy either. Like, I'm not into like the whole trendy like designer stuff. Like, I feel like it's just a waste of money. If you're gonna buy, just buy this. Another thing is like Chnel now is changing their laws, laws, whatever it is. I think before you could buy as many as you want. I think now they're going to that like Hermes thing, which you're only allowed to buy, I think, two classics. You're only allowed to buy 2 classics a year, and you can only buy 1 of these like a month or like, I don't know. There's like a time frame where you can only buy the stuff. You can't go in there and just try to buy like 5 Chnel bags like at the same time or 2 at the same time. Like, that's just not gonna happen. And the prices just keep going up and up and up. Realistically, if you're trying to buy now, because I'm sure like before next year the prices are gonna get actually higher. I'm not telling you guys to go out and spend money and buy a Chnel bag, because child, this is not cheap. Okay, I'm about to cherish this bag for the rest of my life. Like, it's so pretty. And the leather is such a nice leather. Like, I didn't also want that leather that was just like very like soft. And if you have multiple, you can get those also. But if you're just buying your first one, invest in one that is more of like a timeless piece, that is sturdy, that just holds the structure. I think that is more smart. But who am I to tell you guys what to do? Let me guys know what you think. Do you have a Chnel bag? What do you think about it? Do you like it? Is it a great investment? I think it is. And I absolutely love my Chnel. I don't even know who I am anymore. I have a Chnel bag. Talk to me nice, okay? Or don't talk to me at all, okay? I love her, you guys. I absolutely do. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Is it a nay or a yay? What do you guys think? Because that's my new baby, and I love it. All right, you guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you guys also have any suggestions on anything that I should probably look at, which I can't afford, leave them in the comment section below. And maybe I could probably put it on my list of things that I am manifesting before the end of the year, because this one has come to reality. If you're into luxury, your girl just earned herself a Chnel bag, okay? As always, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. I know this was short, fun, precise, to the point, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because listen, if I'm gonna have a Chnel bag, why not make some money off of it, okay? Why not bring it over here so y'all can watch it so I can get some coins? That's just the reality. Ain't nobody coming here to brag, okay? We come here to make money so we can afford this lifestyle. That's the fact behind it, okay? Nobody's coming here to brag. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? I'm working. You guys, I'm silly. Please don't pay me no mind, but pay me some mind, okay? Because that's just the reality. Sometimes people just go to people's videos, oh, you're bragging. Ain't nobody bragging. They making money, okay? You just commented. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. And don't forget to also comment in the comment section below. Let me know what other fashion videos you guys want to see. I know it's been a minute since I have done a Zara haul, you guys. They're coming back. It's coming back. I just have been so busy and have so many other contents planned for you guys, and I'm sure you guys are gonna absolutely enjoy it. So make sure you subscribe if you're not, okay? As always, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. I Chnel you all. Mwah.